Hi everybody again. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to save and export the files. In the previous lesson, you were supposed to do this combination and this combination as a homework. Let's suppose you want to share these pictures, your progress with your friends and family on the social media or on some kind of family chat. And how to save these pictures. First of all, you need to go to the file part from the menu bar. You just press the file and there you have save as. You just press save as one time and then this screen appears. There you need to change the name of the file. Let's say lesson, and from here you need to choose the file that you want to save it for, and there you have the format. In here you have Photoshop, PDF, and TIFF file, but we need JPEG. We need some kind of picture. We don't need the Photoshop file. Just for now, just press OK and save it. And if you open the file there, you have the lesson file. If you press it one more time, it shows you the same file that you're working on. This is the Photoshop file. It's a very convenient. It helps you to, change the things that you did. If you haven't finished your project, you can, save it and work on it later. But as you remember, we wanted to share the picture. We cannot share a PSD file to the family chat. How do we save picture as the normal picture that we know? You go to file again if you want to save it as a picture. You need to go to the save copy. You just press save copy, and from there we don't need the Photoshop file now. We need to press this button, and from there you have much bigger alternatives here. We have JPEG. We also have PNG and everything else. We need JPEG. Just press JPEG one time, and then you just press save. And there you have different options. Now you have JPEG options. From there you can make it in the good quality, or in the medium quality, or in the low quality. So it depends on what kind of quality do you want. We just press OK. It saves a little bit, it takes some time, and you open the file. Here you have just the picture that you wanted to work and that you want to share to your family chat. And the same goes to this file. If you want to save file as a file that you want to in the future work or change some stuff, you just go to file, you just press save as. You need to choose let's make it lesson 2. And then you need to choose the Photoshop file. You just press save. There you have it. If you just, close it, and if you want to open it again, you just press double click it. It opens on the Photoshop. You can change the, position of the things that you have worked on previously. You can just press the history again, and so on. If you want to save a file as a picture that you can share on Instagram and everywhere else, you just go to file again. From there, you just press save copy. And there you need to choose the format that you want. Usually this is JPEG format. You just press it and save it. Again, you just choose what kind of quality do you want. You just press OK. And there you have it. This is just a regular picture. You can even open it on the Photoshop. Let's open it on the Photoshop. And here you cannot change anything, This is just a regular file. Even if you make some copy of the background, it's just a regular random picture that you cannot change. But if it is PSD file, you can change the position of the things. So that's the formats that you need to know. The last but not the least, so if let's suppose you want to save the PNG file. PNG file is a file with a transparent background. Let's suppose we don't need this background. Let's suppose we don't need this background. We just need this 4 pictures alone in this combination, of course. And how do we do that? We need to go to file again. From there you need to go for save copy. You just press it one more time, and there you have PNG file. You just press PNG, you save it, you press OK, and There you have it on your file, and we have a PNG file. You can see the background is transparent. You cannot, see the background, the building that we had on this picture. So this is how you save. The home task for you, for all of you, you need to save the combination, the picture, the illustration that you did. You need to save them. You need to save them in 3 different options. You need to save JPEG version, PSD version, and PNG version. Coming to this, you need to also save this in 2 different versions, JPEG version and PSD version. So that's it for this today's lesson. I'll see you on the next one. So everyone, if you are enjoying our course, we have a little announcement for you. If you want to learn Photoshop from zero, from scratch, and want to become a graphic designer, start making your own independent money, we have a full version of this course. The course was constructed in a very fun and easy way, so I myself strongly recommend you to join this course, because you will learn how to use a Photoshop in a few days. So don't waste your time and click the link in descriptions to join the course, and I will see you there.